floor to our friends from the press.
Raymond, first naman namin yung nangyari nung nakaraan. Naging distraction ba siya or parang nayaan mo na lang?
I want to let it go, pero siyempre, we know natin, alam natin na yung surrounding ng social media. I'm not a perfect person, lahat tayo nagkakamali. So I said sorry already. Then I admitted talaga na that was honest mistake. And then yun siguro medyo nakapekto kasi iniisip ko yung team namin kasi I'm one of the veteran and then I'm a co-op. So kailangan ko lead na example. And then I just wanna show it today, especially may sinabi sa amin si Coach Nenad and Coach Luigi last game namin, mga bets talagang kailangan mag-step up this game, especially our back against the wall. So yun lang siguro.
Raymond, I kind of mentioned na you just wanted to forget what you have. Pero can you just tell me, gaano kalaking part yung naging staff ng Meralco at yung teammates mo rin para malagpasan mo yung
how can I say this? Coach Luigi know me since D-League days, so talaga he's the one who's scared, parang nag-build up sa akin every game. If we have a bad game, he's always there na, yeah, Raymond, I trust you, I believe in you. And even our coaching staff, Coach Nenad, talagang papasalamat ako. Siguro yung game na to parang medyo nawala na sa akin yung mga ganung issues. So, pero focus na lang ako sa game and then focus ako ngayon kasi gusto namin makapasok ng quarterfinals. All just that distraction, set aside muna. Then let's see what happens.
Coach, it seems like San Miguel is